Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Visa gift card to your Cash App. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon in the top right corner. And you need to scroll down until you will see linked banks. You need to click on it. And right here, you need to click link a debit card because Visa gift card is considered as a debit card. So we need to start filling the gaps. We need to enter our Visa gift card number, expiration date, CVV and zip code. And after that, we need to click the link card button in the bottom. Once we will add Visa gift card to our Cash App, then we need to go to the main page and then we need to click the bank icon in the bottom left menu. Then click add money, select the amount, click add, and from the payment options you need to select the Visa gift card we just added to our Cash App. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.